Hello everybody, it's Phil. Okay, so in today's how-to video, guys, we're going to show you how to connect your smartphone to your 2019 Swift Command control panel. So the first part to connecting your mobile phone to your system is, as you see on the control panel, we've got a section here that reads settings. So you're simply going to click on the settings, and just down the bottom here it says pair. Press the pair, and as you can see, that's now making this device searchable. So I'm simply going to open the Swift Command app, click control panel, connect to device. Would you like to pair? And that there has now paired my smartphone with the Swift Command system. Now we have connected our smartphone to the Swift Command system. This really now is where the Swift Command is in a league of its own, really, because it really has brought caravanning into the 21st century. Now, as you'll see here on my phone, I can do pretty much everything you need to do to use the caravan through this app. I can turn the water pump on, as you hear there. I can also turn the awning light on. I can also control the dimmable lighting, which is just above. So you have the dimmable light above the front seating area, and you'll also have the dimmable light above the bedroom. Back to the home screen. I can also check my power levels, making sure my leisure battery's in good condition. Also make sure that your vehicle battery's in good condition as well as making sure that the solar panel that are fitted to most Swift caravans now is doing its job. Back to the home screen. I can also control my heating, which allows me to set up to 7 timers. So should you be out for the day, you are still able to set your heating and your hot water when it is most convenient for you. And of course, finally, we just have the radio settings, where we've got a choice of DAB, FM and auxiliary. So you can again connect your phone through a lead, and that then allows you to listen to any music that you have on your phone through your caravan system.